Today we're going to be working on the XL250S again. Today we're going to focus on the front wheel. We have to take the tire off, put a new tube in it, and fix the brakes. So the problem with the brakes is that one of the shoes here, the pad on the shoe fell off on this side. And then it's quite rusty in there. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so got the bike on the stand there, ratchet strapped to the back so that the front wheel's off the ground. I thought it might be difficult to take this axle apart, but yeah, it's not even tightened together. Turn that by hand. And it's also missing a bolt right here to lock the axle in place, so hopefully we can find something to replace that with. Yeah, so actually there's a bolt inside of the axle right here, and I'm betting it goes into there. This is so you guys can see it here, a DID made in Japan. It's a 160 by 23, and the dashes on here say 961407, so that could be a year 96, which would mean the tire is newer than the bike, which by the looks of like the rear one's pretty dirty. This one's pretty clean. Could be a new rim. Anyway, we're gonna try and pull the tire off. Got some baby powder here. Alright, so I got the front half of the tire off here. So this is what's holding the tube in. It's the valve stem. And that's going to take 12mm wrench. Alright, well I was able to get the tube out, and then I can move the tire over and see the center of the rim where the spokes are, and see that the rubber is actually pretty well intact yet. So I'm not going to worry about changing that, and we're just going to try and stuff the new tube back in there. Of course the hardest part is going to be to not pop the tube, getting it back on. So I wrapped some black tape around the end of my pry tools here, just to hopefully decrease my probability of popping the inner tube. Alright, the new inner tube is in. Now I guess we'll try and fill it up with air. It seems to be holding air as of right now, so we're going to clean the rust out of the center. Alright, we'll let the brake shoes do the rest of the work there. And we'll actually start installing the new brake shoes now. Oh, it looks like all we gotta do is remove these two springs and this washer with a cotter pin in it there. Alright, got them out. Springs are still in there. Well, it looks like the new ones already have the springs on them, so we should be able to just open it up around the mechanism here itself and basically be ready to go. Alright, that's officially the easiest I've ever put on brake shoes. And look, they're even slotted for extra cooling. All right, the memory card ran out, so I'll cut to a few pictures of me putting the wheel back on, and then let's get to the fun part. Alright guys, the bike is running. Even though we're having like an 8-inch snow blizzard, I gotta take it for a ride. So, good luck and hopefully we don't get stuck. Take it back around, maybe we'll take this one off for a bit. That was super sketchy, but pretty fun. Let's see if the three-wheeler can do any better. there's some. If you guys want to support the channel, we have stickers available. There's a link in the description. So this is our holographic BA Performance logo sticker. Very cool sticker. Won't find them anywhere else. Dope. And we have a new sticker. Don't have as many of them, but this is our clappers only sticker. Let's see if we can show it there. Yeah, so we got a cool trash panda here, and he loves clappers. And yeah, it's our clapper only sticker. If you guys like clappers and trash pandas, you know, that's the sticker for you right there.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.